What's up, guys? Before we get into the video, this is a whole episode of my new show on We the Free Network. We the Free Network is great because we can post what we want, and there's a ton of content creators on there, and it's only about $7 a month. So it's very affordable. You can access it via Roku, Apple TV, or your phone, or on your computer. If you love my content, you're gonna love this show because it's a ton of fun, and we can get into some stuff that we can't really get into on this platform. I will put a link in the description for you to sign up for We the Free, and also just use PSR to sign up. I have to remove the entire section of us doing the thing with that switchy. So I can show shooting it on YouTube, but I can't show installing anything on YouTube, but that is why that is omitted. Before we get into the rest of the video, I gotta thank the channel sponsor, of course, Aves Engineering. This show on We the Free would not have happened without Aves. Aves allowed me to go film in their machine shop, and they are the core of what allowed this show to happen. I wanna give a huge shout out to Aves. Like I always say in my videos, if you're looking to squirt out a cheeky glizzy, never in a million years use PSR for 10% off your entire order from Aves. And thank you so much again to Aves for sponsoring this channel. All right, let's get into the video.
No one knew who I was. Nobody paid any attention to me. That was until I put on the mask.
I love 3D printed rocket-propelled grenades.
This is Aves Engineering. My name's Dave. I started this company a few years ago. We manufacture gun parts mostly. It started with me simply just wanting to build 3D printed guns and just do it for fun, and it kind of morphed into a whole business.
What you doing?
How did I meet PSR? Honestly, I'm not exactly sure. He just kind of appeared one day. I think he means well, but he can be a little bothersome of the employees sometimes.
Hey, man. What you making?
I don't want to say he's like a child.
Does that move it? Oh, it does.
It's more like a developmentally disabled adult.
What, man? Fuck, fine.
Every morning I come in and PSR is already here. I don't fully understand. He just appears.
Oh, hey.
And one of the rumors amongst the guys is that they find him sleeping in the bathroom in the morning. There might be some validity to the allegations.
Hey, guys, come on. What did I do? I didn't do that much. Oh. God damn it! Ah!
Are you done?
All right, David. I want to make the Glock go fast. I want to make Glock go burr. Can we do that? I mean, one of the reasons I want a Glock switch of my own is Matrix Reloaded Morpheus. He had the samurai sword and the G18, and he was just absolutely letting her piss, giving the bad guys all of the love and affection through the G18.
Actually, I think I already have a Glock that go burr.
Oh, can I hold it? Can I hold it? I want to be Morpheus too. I want to be the Walmart Morpheus.
You see, this is a factory machine gun from Austria, direct from Glock themselves. Came out of the factory, full auto, select fire.
I think maybe there's like 10 of them-ish in the United States. So Aves owns 10% of the Glock 18Cs that are in the United States, which is just super cool.
And you're not allowed to have it.
Why not?
Well, you don't possess the proper licensing. Unfortunately, in the United States, you have to have an SOT to acquire one of these, and you don't have one.
Please.
I guess I'll let you hold it. SOT, Special Occupational Taxpayer. It is essentially, how does it go in Trailer Park Boys? I'm gonna give you $50 to fuck off. It's basically the same thing, but with the federal government.
Man, this is so cool. But it's a factory Glock. At the end of the day, even though it is a machine gun, I want something, you know, a little bit more universal, something you could just put on the Glock and make it go fast. And I think it's really cool, but I want to just do it to a normal Glock. I want to make the normal Glock go fast. So.
What is that?
It's my hologram.
I don't see a hologram.
Oh, wait, hold on.
That looks a little big for you.
Yeah, that's not supposed to be in there. Oh, nope. I think it's somewhere, yeah, this.
This. A Glock switch.
Yes, a Glock switch.
Yeah.
That's what we need.
I think we could accomplish that for you.
You mean I can actually make one?
Sure, why not? We can make anything we want in here. It's kind of like a fly to shit. I think CSR is attracted to me for that reason because, well, I'm me, and I have machine guns, which he really likes, almost in a sexual sort of way. Give us a couple days, and we could probably have a Glock switch for you. May have to polish up your design a little bit, but let's go make a machine gun.
Let's go. All right, David, tell me what you got. Lay it on me.
Well, we've got the Glock switch for you.
This is huge.
Yeah, for you. You see, that's just a visual representation to help you understand how exactly the Glock switch works. I'm sure you'll find that useful later. I actually have something a little bit more your size right here.
Wow, this is sweet. So I can keep this, huh?
No, you can't keep that one either. That's actually a legit machine gun.
The Glock switch, if you didn't know, obviously it's extremely illegal to possess if you don't have the right paperwork, which here at Aves they do, and I get to, you know, tag along and have fun with the Glock switch and giggle to my heart's content. This is a gun?
It's treated like a machine gun. It's a conversion device, but it's still technically, legally a machine gun, and you're not allowed to have it.
Well, can we shoot it?
Sure, we can go install it, and we can go shoot it.
Let's do it.
All right.
I'm just gonna put this in my pocket. No big deal. All right, so today we are going to be fitting this Glock to a normal semi-automatic Glock, and we're gonna make it And I think maybe it's time to test fire it. What do you say? Oh, yeah. What's up, guys? We're out at the range in the frozen tundra of Wisconsin. We've got this nice high berm, which was going to be very helpful for these relatively hard to control blickies with the switchies. We've got our 18C here, which is the factory Glock. We're going to compare it with the 19 that we've converted to full auto. We got the switch on here. Can't wait to just let her eat as it should be. We got to put the stendos in these glizzies and just let them run. Can't wait to shoot this thing. I love shooting switches. Let's do it. What do you got anything to say?
I think it'll be interesting to see if we can achieve the same level of perfection that Glock achieved with the 18. We'll have to see if the cyclic rate on this is anywhere near as consistent as the 18.
Yeah, so can we make the Aves switch run just as clean as the Glock switch? We will see. Let's give her shit. All right, we've got our blicky with the switchy. We are going to test it, see how fast we can get this stock Glock 19 to run with the switch on it. I'm gonna shoot a couple shots of semi-auto first, you know, ease my way into it, and then we'll flip the switch and let her rip. Let's do it. All right, now just the flick of the switch, and we'll go with the rest of the 17 round mag. Let's do it. Nice and fast. Let's do another one.
They're so much fun to shoot. They call it a giggle switch for a reason. It makes you giggle. And that's what I love to do.
This time we're just going full, leaning into it. Let's give her. All right, time for the stendo now. See how fast we can get this thing to go.
The 33 round factory Glock magazine, the Stendo as it's known as, actually was created by Glock to feed the Glock 18 or the Glock 18C because they wanted more firepower. So you can thank the Glock 18 and the Glock 18C for giving you the Stendo.
Let her eat. Here we go. 33 rounds of love and affection. Runs like a dream. Oh, baby. All right. Now I kind of want to see what it's like next to the 18C and just do a little comparison, see how it feels. So, David, you want to grab the 18C for me? This gun, the 18C, it actually feels significantly lighter than our stock Glock 19 because of these slide cuts in here and the porting and just the less mass on the slide. And it should just be a little bit faster. So let's see how it goes. All right, we're just gonna go full switch right now. Put her in auto and let's give her a, here we go. Oh, baby. You can definitely tell the cyclic rate is a little bit faster and it's actually more controllable because of these ports in the barrel. The 18C is still just that little bit better, a little bit more controllable, but the Glock switch, still awesome. All right, so our fun little range trip with the blickies with switchies was quite fun. These things went super fast. It was really interesting to go back to back with the, you know, the switch, the actual switch on the back versus the factory OEM switch with that slide cut on there and that reduced weight of the slide. It was just a little bit more controllable than this one.
To be honest, any chance we get to shoot the Shop G18C, we'll take it.
I like it. I like having friends like David where I can have fun with their machine guns and then not have the ATF knock on my door every once in a while.
It's nice.
Yeah, well, the Aves switch ran beautifully. We had 0 malfunctions. Same with the 18C. Even out in the cold weather here, it did great. So thumbs up to you, David, for making an awesome Glock switch.
Couldn't have done it without your help.
I try. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the episode. We will be back with a lot more fun projects. I want to give a big shout out and big thanks to Aves and David for hosting us.
thanks again for tuning in to We the Free. I love having you on this show with me, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys. I feel so important right now. I'm getting nervous.
There's a first for everything.